I'm coming home. The release is real. The feeling is blissful. I'm coming home. Even though I may not know what home looks like, the joy of being uprooted from the norm is hysterical. I'm coming home to my beloved. Ready or not, scared or not, prepared or not, I'm coming home. Ready to build what we were meant to build, combining energies that unify in a magical embrace. I'm coming home with divine gifts in hand and treasures beyond comprehension. My heart is open, my soul is shining, the guiding light to the correct path, showing me the right actions to take as they unfold. I'm coming home to my beloved, to myself, to our unified existence. I'm coming home.